Hi guys, Retro Tech Ralph here. I've got an unboxing I want to do. I need some more storage on my main computer. You keep files, you play games, you want to store lots of stuff. Yes, we all create lots of things. So I need some more storage. So I decided I am usually been a Western Digital fan for hard drives until I've been persuaded by a fellow YouTuber of Retro Box Room is to start going for Seagate. And yeah, they might be alright, they might not, but we'll see what happens in time. But I wanted an external for the simple reason I can't be bothered to take... Well, I do have around about 6 or 7 different hard drives. I don't have them plugged into my computer, but they're all various sizes, quite big sizes. I don't want to lose anything, so they're not in the computer, they're out and they will stay as they are. Safe with lots of nice files I want to keep. But I want something I can plug into there, and I can't be bothered to rig another hard drive in there. I want to keep it as cool as possible inside the PC. So I bought this. This is a backup plus hub from Seagate. I've got the 8TB version, which is more than enough than what I will ever need. This is the biggest hard drive I've actually got. So yeah, it will be quite interesting to do. I can connect with computers. Okay. Easy backup, intelligent. Right, this will have... You can have Windows and Mac on this anyway, but it says computers, I don't know. Yes. But the only thing that got me with this is, yeah, it's compatible with Windows, it's compatible with things in the future. It's just a hard drive on a USB cable. USB 3 or 2. Anything's compatible. Probably compatible with USB 1 as well, but you won't get much speed out of it. But I wanted one, and it really took my eye, having these 2 USB ports on the front. And on my PC, I have 2 USB ports. Kind of this is the PC, the buttons are on top of here. They're up top here. And I want other bits and mats to like use chargers or have an access to a USB just in case. But I have it on here, and this will be hidden out of the way on the next to the PC. But I'll have access to these as well, so I can use it as a charger or anything else. Apparently, according to the reviews as well on this, it does. Those USB ports do actually connect to the PC, so that's quite good. So let's get inside this. Please recycle. I'm not sure I can recycle that. So let's go inside that. I've already cut that with this just then anyway, so let's have a look inside before I cut my own fingers off with that. It's a sharp blade. If you're going to get one of these, going to get a scalpel yourself, kids, make sure you got a parent watching, and you can laugh at them when they cut their fingers. Fine. So let's have a look. I really didn't want to come out. Okay. Why does that not want to come out? Very strange. There we go. Something's out. Ooh, okay. So out from the box, you've got this top section here. We look like we've got rescue data. Okay. We have Adobe, we have Backup Plus. This is basically, there will be software on this hard drive which it will let you back up, it'll let you do this, do that. I will not use that for that. It'll just be a hard drive, and I'll probably just wipe any bit of software that's on there anyway. It's not much software, but it'll be just in the way. I just can't be bothered. So all you basically do with this, put the power supply in there, which looks like it's a 12-volt power supply. Your USB cable, which is one of these new, well, oddball shaped ones, but it will end up with a standard USB on the end anyway, which I've got 3.0. I've also got 3.1. I might even use that with, see if I can get extra speed out of it. But other than that, full instructions. That's all you do. Plug, plug, play. Done. These should already be fully formatted already anyway. So literally should be plug and play. Now, it's kind of similar-ish size, maybe a little bit... Where is it? Oh, I'm going to say Nintendo Wii, but it's kind of a little bit smaller than. But that's quite a nice little thing. Got rubber feet there, so I can stand it up like that, and it's... Yeah, you can push it along, but it's going to be out of the way. Vents on the bottom. There's no vents on the top. even though the pattern shows it there. Power supply, that there. I wanted this one specifically because I've got a 12 volt power supply there. If I don't use this, I can use that 12 volt power supply, which I think is in the bottom of the box, on other things. So all you do with this one, plug in your power, plug in your USB, and transfer files, do what you want. So more packaging here, recycled packaging, and in the bottom, there's nothing more in there, is another folded box I can't get in. There you go. So out of there we have got the USB cable, which has got a standard USB 3.0, that's why it's blue, and one of these extra USBs. It's like a micro plus, so it'll give you more data, all being well. So yeah, that'll be that. I don't need to adapt anything for that. That goes in the back of this anyway. Power supply. Now, obviously this is going to be like a modular power supply with a power socket on the end for lots of different countries. So, out of the bag, 12 power supply, obviously that plugs into the back of. This has got, is this the EU plug, I think? And the American ones are a little bit different than that, it's a little bit narrow in, but I'll be using the UK plug because, surprisingly, I live in the UK. So all we'll do with this is, you got arrows pointing that way. Is it that way or not? Because you've got the two prongs there. It won't use an earth for some reason, so these two connectors will go onto there anyway. So tab there into these holes, slots there, and done. Happy. I have a UK plug. If I want an EU plug, if I possibly pop over to France and want to use this, press in, slide out. Here's the other one. I know it's like, for some people, it's like, yeah, asking your grandma to suck eggs, but these are just easy enough to do. Yeah, back into the slots on the side there, slide in, done. I've got an EU. Cool. Press in and out, done. Simple. So there's a lot of packing with this, to be honest, and they asked me to recycle it, which is a little bit iffy, but it's fine. These things get recycled nowadays. So an 8TB hard drive. Inside here there is actually one hard drive, which worries me. I've had WD, I think they were books or whatever they were called, in the past, which is kind of, it was alright, but I think one of them was designed so there was two hard drives inside. So at least if you've damaged one, then it would, you would be able to still have access to another one. But that's what worries me. There's a lot of information going to be put on here, and if it goes, I've lost the entire hard drive. So, but we'll see what happens with this. I mean, it's not a bad little functioning USB hub on the front. It's quite nice form factor on there. I do like the pattern on the top. It's very nice and smooth, but it's bobbly as well at the same time. But I would have thought you would have had more ventilation on the top. But we'll see what happens. I don't think there's a fan inside here, although we can probably plug in to see if it makes any noise whatsoever. I'm not going to use a data connection anyway, so I don't think there is. Power supply in. I can't hear anything. There's no lights on the front, which makes it, it's not going to be distracting, it's out of the way, it's just a hard drive. If you want one with lights on and stuff like that, whistles and bells, fine, off you go find one. There'll be plenty of different ones out there. I picked this one, like I said, specifically for the extra USBs I can use. So I will lose one on the back of the PC for this, but I've gained another one, gained that one back, and gained a second one on the front of here. But that is, I can't hear a thing out of it. It's either down to the USB not plugged in, or there is no fans, or it's just a very quiet hard drive. So there we go, done, easy. So there's your unboxing of the Seagate. Gets the box out as quick as I can. Seagate Backup Plus. Find them on Amazon, find them at your local computer shop, find them wherever you are in the world. So I'll be testing this myself over the next few months, hopefully years, decades, don't know. See what happens. So with that in mind, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Follow me on social media. And I'll see you in another video. Bye for now.